Hey everyone, welcome back to another cooking from a can video. It's lunchtime today, so we're gonna actually make something simple that we're gonna have for lunch, which is a pickle mole. So a lot of people have guacamole, some people like it, some people hate it. This one adds the flavor of pickle as well as some bits of pickle and some jalapeno in it, so it's gonna be a hit when you make it. So the nice thing about this recipe is it combines the flavors of guacamole as well as the sourness and brininess of pickles, which a lot of people love. So it's a good combination and it goes well with, you can do it with pita bread, or naan bread if you watch our video on naan bread, as well as tortilla chips. So this is actually $1 million recipe for two reasons. One, everybody's gonna be asking you for the recipe once they've had it. And number two is avocados are so damn expensive. So yeah, we're starting with avocado. We're gonna do 4 avocados with this. Make sure you wash the outside of the avocado before you cut into it, because the outside does like to hold bacteria and fly poop and all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna get cutting these up and scooping them out. So if you've never cut an avocado before, you're just gonna go around the outside into the pit, or around the whole outside, and then you're gonna twist and then pull the one side off, and then you're gonna take out the pit. So I'll show you how to do that. Hopefully it'll show up. So just go around like that, give it a twist. And there you go. And then just take your knife and put it in there and give that a twist maybe. Usually they come out easier than that. No, it's gonna break. Normally that works. This time I didn't. Scrape it all out, get all that goodness out of there, right? Yeah, so this one was a little unripe in the very top, so that's why it's stuck in there. I'll try again with this one. So it's supposed to come out, not sticking in and breaking like the other one.
Every avocado is unique in its own way.
That's right, just like you, every avocado is unique. That's Shayna's tip for the day.
Words of wisdom.
Words of wisdom. Should we start another YouTube series called Words of Wisdom with Shayna?
No thanks.
No thanks.
That's the only one I have.
Then it would be just a one video series, Word of Wisdom with Shayna. So if you get perfectly ripe avocados, then this comes out super easy. But you can't always get perfectly ripe avocados. We bought these, how many days? 4 days ago? 3 or 4 days ago. They were the only ones we could get that weren't really mushy. So we've had to wait to make this. We're gonna make this the other day. All right, so you're just gonna continue cutting up your avocado and scooping it out. Once you've done all 4, we'll move on to the next step. All right, so just putting the avocado into a tin bowl like this here. So yeah, this is a recipe that I came up with, and then we've made it a few times and I've tweaked it and tasted as we make it. So this is a version that's actually a really good flavor as far as pickleness and guacamole-ness. So you're gonna use 4 pickles. I'm a Sharks fan, so have to go with the Vlasic.
Here's Vlasic on the point, shot, score! Right out in front, traffic by the Sharks.
And they're good pickles. So we're gonna use 4 of those. These ones are big, holy. So yeah, just something like that many. If you're using a different brand that are smaller, then adjust accordingly. About 4 medium-sized pickles typically. All right, so once we got the pickles all minced up or diced up, we're gonna add in the pickled jalapeno. Again, if you don't like heat, then you don't have to put these in. And if you like a little bit of heat, use a little bit. Just use at your own discretion. All right, so once you got all that stuff minced up and thrown into the bowl, it's gonna look something like that. Next, we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of lime juice and 7 tablespoons of the pickle brine. The avocados are a little bit harder, so I'm just gonna slightly chop them up in here. Probably should have done that from the beginning, just cut them up a little bit to make it easier for mashing. find that there's a lot more bigger chunks in when you're mashing with a fork, just use a potato masher a little bit. You don't want it too creamy. You want to have some chunks in there, but this helps with the consistency. So once you got it all mashed up like this, you're just gonna add some salt to taste. And obviously taste your food as you're going. Mix. No more salt. Yeah, it's good. So you want to use this within a couple hours of making it just for best flavor. So if you aren't going to use it right away, like we're going to, just put it in the fridge with a little bit of saran wrap right over top of the actual guacamole, not over the bowl, just to keep the air out. The lime juice in there is going to help, but it just helps with preventing more air in there. All right, and there you have it, pickle mole. So a little bit different of a dip to use at a party. Again, everyone's going to be asking you for the recipe once they try it, just because it has such a different flavor with the pickles in there, but that same consistency as guacamole. Hey, Jade and Lakai, you guys should come try this and let everybody know how it tastes.
Okay.
Just scoop it out of there.
Okay.
Don't get the jalapeno though. Is it good? You tell them to make it?
What?
Tell them to make it for their family?
You guys should make this for your family. It's really good.
All right. All right, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and definitely give this one a try. It's super easy, doesn't take that long, and everyone's gonna love it. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come out new videos. And I'm gonna go change my shirt because I'm sweating like crazy, as most chefs do. And we'll see you in the next video. Ciao. I gotta get into it. Should I dance?
Guacamole dance.
The holy guacamole dance. Hey everyone, welcome back to another cooking from a can. Oh. This is also $1 million recipe for 2 reasons. The flavor's so good, everybody's gonna ask, slow down.
Drink a beer.
Drink a beer. Get drunk, make a video. Drinking with, chefing and drinking with Chris. Ouch. Oh, you got a bleeder. Don't mix that in your avocado. A band-aid in the video. Don't want to make avocado, band-aid avocado, band-aid guacamole. I just have to wait for it to quit bleeding before I could continue. Don't want to have a band-aid in the video. Still a little bit. Look at the size of that one. Whenever I do the filming of this, we have to turn the AC and the fans off so it gets really warm in here, and it's even more warm during the day than at night.
Just stuff flying around everywhere.
I know. It's like the Swedish chef. Whooshy, whooshy, whooshy. My shirt's so wet. I'm dripping with sweat. Gross.
Can I have that pickle?
There's ones there you can have.
Sure can.